Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll first make sure Google Maps is installed and allowed to use location. This is why real-time directions work. Open App Store, search Google Maps, and tap Update or Get. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Google Maps, right arrow Location, and choose while using App to preserve privacy without losing navigation. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on so Maps can download traffic and route options. This avoids stale data and gives faster loading when you start entering destinations. Now type your destination into the search bar. You can enter an address, business name, or coordinates. After selecting the place card, tap Directions and pick the mode: driving, walking, transit, or ride, because each mode optimizes different roads or paths. Look at alternate routes shown with estimated times. Choose the fastest or avoid tolls via options if you prefer. Once you've picked a route, tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation and listen for voice prompts while you focus on the road. Finish by exploring helpful features. Tap Layers for traffic or satellite, download offline maps for no-signal areas, and enable voice guidance for hands-free directions. If navigation stutters or location drifts, make sure location is set to while using app. Then try closing and reopening maps or toggling location off and on. This often resets GPS. If problems persist, update or reinstall Google Maps to clear corrupted data. Doing these steps normally resolves persistent issues and restores accurate routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.